Welcome to the Bellezah Easter egg hunt. In this video, 3 challengers will participate in the hunt to find the eggs, solve riddles, and accomplish challenges all around Liloan to live the life of discovery.
My name is Eileen Uy, and I am 30 years old. I am a grade school teacher somewhere in Consolation, and I am here in Liloan, ready to take the challenge. Are you ready? Ready, get it, go!
Hi guys, I'm James Sonner. 32. I am a bookkeeper and I am ready to take the challenge.
Hi, I'm Irene. I'm working in a BPO industry and also a real estate agent, providing customer service and helping people to invest for their future home. So I'm Irene again, and I'm ready to take the challenge. Woo!
Allow me to introduce the mechanics. The challengers must find and collect 5 eggs. A green egg, an orange egg, a yellow egg, a purple egg, and a white egg. All 4 colored eggs are necessary to open the white egg, which contains a riddle that once solved will unlock their challenge. They are given 2 hours to complete, and if they win, they not only get to live the life of discovery, but they also get to take home a mystery gift pack provided by Myvan and Bellezah Homes.
Get it?
And just like that, James already finds one.
But we have to find the white egg.
Well, technically yes, but remember, all eggs are necessary to open the white one.
Hi guys. Ito na guys. Nakita ko na.
Okay, I got the violet agent. Violet.
Feel na ko na dit. Ay! Kita na ako! Yellow. Violet. Oh guys! Guys!
Does James have a hidden egg radar? Now with all the eggs found, it's time for them to open the riddle.
Hey, a place so wonderful, a place sublime. Experience the thrill of life and the beauty of the water. In a place
So cozy and warm, like the arms of the Father.
zip,
Fish and swim.
a place you have to
To adjust, not just to skim, bounce, roll, and climb.
So it's like the arms of a father. It's a good place. Say pangalan.
Yes,
Papa Kids.
So Papa Kids.
because the question, have
Yeah.
father here.
It's a father clue.
There's a clue.
Oh, from the
There's a
word
clue from the word
father.
We are in
father.
the place of Papa Kids. So it's Papa Kids.
With that, they unlock challenge number 1, the hanging bridge.
Oh my God, guys! Kaya ko, pero mukhang hindi kaya ng hanging.
Some serious concerns coming in from Eileen.
Hindi ko kaya! Go na ko?
Guno?
Hala, uy mo eh.
Kala, sunod ka pa, bis.
Uy, ginoo.
Shout out, Architect Raymond. Hinay-hinay lang mo diha. Kaya naning kamot ako dire. Oh my God.
Oh my God! Yeah.
Gabi ha.
Hi, the challenge was so cool. It was my first time to cross a hanging bridge, and I did it.
Yes. For me, it's challenging. The kurog-kurog is so real, but I survived.
Exciting guys. So, pwede naman mo try dire sa ilang hanging breads kay para ma-challenge mo. Nga sa kinabuhi dapat moagi tag mga kalisod before nato ma-achieve ang hayahay nga kinabuhi.
Hi guys, nami karon diri at bang sa Liloan Municipal Hall mangita og itlog ni Adan. Let's go find the eggie.
Mo ni among second challenge size guys, among pangitao ng itlog. So, mangita ta karon sa itlog guys.
Hello everyone, I'm here at Liloan, here San Fernando Ray Church. So we'd like to follow. I found it. Finding the egg, and now I found it here. All right. Wait. I found it.
Kita ko! Guys, I found the egg. Nakita ko na ang itlog ni Adan. Papunta na tayo sa itlog ni Eva.
Okay guys, wala diri guys. Base na ni diri sa unahan guys.
Unlike last round, James seems to be struggling here.
Wala diri guys. So dapat natin ipaspasan guys kay maunahan tag pangita sa uban guys.
Nakita na nato ang violet and pangitaw na to ang puti kay na dito ang question. Let's go! Daghan king tao diri guys. Pinangita na mig itlog ga puti. Asa man ang itlog? Oy, itlog ga puti murag nasa Amerika.
Dara guys. Kita na ako guys, ang itlog ni Nemo guys. There's it guys.
Nakakahiya, guys. Daming tao. Oh my God. Ah! Naragay. Found it. Question. 1, 2, 3, go. Up in the north where the breeze is light, life is the heart of a town that shines.
Home of Rosquillos and Masses.
A place where the dream comes to meet. Live, love, blank, written on its door.
Ligoman center of the town you research for.
Uy, live, love, blank.
Answer is
We have to answer the blank.
Live, love. I think
Life. Ang saman.
the answer is Liloan.
Okay, live,
How about
love,
you?
lulu.
Mabi.
Oh, pwede.
No. Live, love, laugh.
Live, love.
Bitaw, oy, unsa man, oy, live.
Parang yung kay sir,
love.
ang correct. Or live, love. Life.
Live, love,
Parang yung
love, or Liloan.
Live, love, laugh,
Liloan.
laugh, Liloan. Yes.
Love.
Live, love, Liloan.
Their next challenge is find the Live Love Liloan sign and snap a photo.
I know, here.
Okay.
Irene is in tour guide mode, I see you.
So daghan kay nga mga tao diri guys, makaingon na sila nga vlogger ko pero di ko vlogger. Challenger ani. How to picture? Ah! Sa pag picture. Unya na kay, unsa man to? Kamu lang sabi. Guys, hindi kaya na aking power. Hey guys.
Hi guys.
Nakita na mo ang itlog, ang white egg doon sa mga inasal. So we were going to opening it.
Okay.
Open. And then read it loud, mga darling.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Every day
day
is savings day.
Yet
You can spend as you please. A place that values economy.
Yet look how
Good,
grand
how grand it is.
Don't
Don't let the contradictions scare you. This place will always bring you value. Shop, but make sure you don't drop. Oh, from the word grand.
Yes, and then
It's
shop.
well known here in
So-
Liloan means grand. Gaisano Grand Mall.
Yeah.
In Liloan.
Wala na mong final answer, guys.
Gaisano
Gaisano
Grand
Grand
Mall.
Mall.
Liloan.
Liloan. Hey, guys. Mag-picture daw mi dire, guys, sa front sa Grand Mall.
You've climbed the
This round is actually a bonus round for our challengers. Instead of hunting for eggs, they're hunting for pasalubongs. However, they still have to solve the riddle in order to proceed.
Then I've held my fame. Rosquillos and Masi, you know my name. Finish strong where Liloan's pride is baked. A taste of home for memories to take. So, obviously,
this
Titay, Rosquillos and Delicacies.
This one.
Thank you, Titay!
Thank you, Titays.
Besh, ang pang ano?
Pili. Pero kabalo pa mo, guys, na lamig kayo.
You've climbed,
Climbed,
explored, solved each clue. Now here's a trick that's made just for you. I'm sweet and round, a bite-sized prize. A local gem that never lies. Since 1907, I've held my fame. Rosquillos and Masi, you know my name. Finish strong where Liloan's pride is baked. A taste of home for memories to take. So, obviously,
this
Titay, Rosquillos and Delicacies.
This one.
Thank you,
Titay.
Titay.
Thank you, Titays.
What's up, mga guys? We are here in our final challenge here in San Vicente, Liloan. Pangitao na mo ang mga itlog. Oh, she found the egg. Hoy! Egg! Nakita na ni mo ang white? Yeah! Pila ni kabuok?
Sir, nasa puno ng saging. Last.
Guys, nakita na mo, guys.
So, usa na lang ang among gipangita, guys.
It's complete now. Hey.
Complete na ba? Sige.
Complete na. Then,
Amo basahon ang final riddle.
The riddle is in the riddle.
For just 24999 each month, you'll pay.
With orange walls and
A
a
cozy
gated
condo
space.
can be yours one day.
Yes, with orange walls and a gated space. It's quiet, it's bright, it's a peaceful place. Ay!
A pool, a park, and a playground too. Just 10 minutes from the main road view. Modern and warm where good vibes stay. Your future home is not far away.
Not
Okay.
far away.
Unsay answer?
Oh, answer!
La Bellezah Flat San Vicente, Liloan.
So here we are right now on the very own site of La Bellezah Flats, San Vicente, with the three challengers here, with Miss Irene, Sir Jim, and Miss Eileen. Okay, so how do you guys feel about the challenge or the different phases that you go through just today?
Okay. It's enjoyable because I've explored the beautiful scenery of Liloan and some other places that I haven't been to. Even though I'm with heels, it's exhausting, but still I enjoy like the challenges we've had. And also with my colleagues here. Hi.
Hi guys. How's guys?
How did you feel?
Okay, I feel challengeable. Bitaw guys, na-challenge ko at the same time I'm having fun. Grabe kayo siya guys. Daghan pa jud kay mga mananaw nga mga tao no nya. Pero nindot siya kay na-explore nimo ang Liloan nga wala nga dili ka swito and then gitagan kag opportunity nga makatoyak-toyak. Bongga kay guys. How about you, brother?
How about you, Brother James?
So feeling exciting kay diri sa Liloan ma-discover na to ang lain-lain nga mga lugar. So na mga adventures nga mga lugar like ang Papa Kids, sa mga Delicacies sa Cebu. So makita sa Liloan and at the same time and naasa diri ang mga nature sa San Vicente, Liloan. So we are very thankful kay nahuman na dyan na mo ang mga challenges nga among atubang karong hapuna.
Yes.
Enjoyable ang Easter hunting with me. Ayan. So thank you.
And with that, congratulations for completing all of the phases challengers.
Yay!